everyone and welcome to the channel. Here start a new adventure. We have made the unboxing and now we start the construction. Step by step about this. First step, organizing the work. Have you seen? I use the box to keep everything quite in good order. Instructions, stickers, paper. Here inside pieces I used to keep all the plastic bags. Don't throw them away. And there will be a plastic bag for pieces that I don't use, plastic bags for the parts that remains on the frame, the plastic frame that I don't use, and another bag for just for the sprue. The plastic frame for the pieces is named sprue, and this is one. Then I use, if I make so you can see better. Okay, I use this recycled from salad, food, cheese. They're very useful, and I put the parts here, the screws, here all the aluminum parts that for these cars are fantastic. This piece weighs quite nothing. And this for electrics and so on. So we have to keep on. These are the last bags that I have to open. And these are not exactly screws, but they are quite similar here inside. Perhaps this is the antenna's cap, but we don't use the antenna. Very nice. I think this. Okay. Then ball bearings and differential. Here we have these very little balls, metal balls. And so this we don't open. These are all the very tiny screws for there's a reflection where, okay, for the body. Use them all together. This bag away, servo saver, bags, and these are grease tools and so on. They give you also this very thin piece of plastic, one thinner, the other. It is quite. Also here we have to discover the function of these things. Clips, grease, key, Allen key. We open it later. One, two, three, and four. Hope this has not to be changed in bearings that I don't have. I hope these are just spacers. otherwise we have to buy something. It goes here with all the plastics, and at last this. I think that we begin with the wheels. Do I left them in plastic? That are quite nice. It's good. Or do I have to paint them? Then, beside, I wanted to give an extra touch. And the extra touch is to paint here inside with white. The best painting is the umbrel, not matte but gloss white. I do, then I will show you. Paint is dried, and now we can finish scraping away all the paint that stays outside the writings. To do this is very good. Okay, and now clean with some petrol. Okay, next work, the wheels. Apart that these are not the right wheels, because I have seen pictures and the original one are more closed here. This is like the Subaru's one. It can go, and this is a dark metal, gunmetal. And in the pictures I've seen of the car, they are black, so we have to paint. I go outside, I paint. This is, I have previously washed. Remember, always washed parts you have to paint. Then, after painting, we let them dry. We can mount the sponge inside the wheels. Then the wheels on the tires, pardon, and the tires on the wheel, on the rims, so the wheel is complete. I go for painting. I use these two clamps to hold, gloves, varnish. Let's go outside and paint the rims. This is one, and this is two. I haven't painted this part because it's not necessary. The inside, of course, but this not. So if you have to glue the tires on the rims, the glue works better. And let them dry. While they are drying, I can put the sponge inside the tires. Now I see that the sponge pulls this part of the out. We need some care mounting on the rims. In the meanwhile, I would like to remember you, comments, like and subscribe. Alright, now for sure we have to stop a little while because we have to wait the paint to dry. In the meanwhile, the postman comes and gives me two things that are one, and this is a big one, two. So it is unexpected. We can do the unboxing of the box. All right, this is better now. I'm a very nice guy. So, unboxing the box.
Unboxing the box. We can do this, and we can do this, and we have to do this.
This comes from Germany. And of course it comes from Germany, because it is a Porsche. This will be for a next video. And this is one. And what do we have here? This comes from, look, the stamps. How many stamps? If I'm not wrong, this comes from anniversary of the victory of the Chinese People's War of resistance against Japanese aggression. Wow, wow, these stamps are wonderful. Comes from, I believe, Hong Kong. And what's inside? Shiso. Ha-ha! Yes. Ta-da-ta-ta! Et voilà. Subaru. Very nice. So, for the future, we have two more models. Back to the wheels. After 4 hours, the paint is dried. And this is the result. Exactly what did I expected. Nice, realistic. Now we have to mount the tires. Attention, this writing has to be in this way, to the outside. Let's start. This in the box. Then the way is this one. Before, by this way. Then you turn. Attention to the sponge. Okay. Here they are. I don't use to glue the tires on the rims, but if you use the car in the race, it's better to do it. For today, this is all. Thank you very much. Remember, subscribe, I like comments, let the bell ring so you don't lose any of my precious videos. And all the best to you. Bye bye bye.